We are Houston Safe and Lock. We've been in business for 37 years. We're located in Southwest Houston. The exact address is 10210 Westheimer. We're one block east of Beltway 8 on Westheimer. We service citywide, 24 hours a day, including holidays and Christmas. Number one, all of our men are licensed and bonded. The men all have fully stocked vehicles with all major manufacturers in all major colors. We were selected by Medico as they recognized us as one of the leading locksmiths in the Houston, Texas area. We have a full line of safes for complete delivery and installation, including bolt down. We carry all major manufacturers' locks and install them in a professional fashion. We service Houston and surrounding areas, including Sugar Land, Katy, Bel Air. We will travel anywhere in Texas, and we're your one-stop security shop.